Come closer. Good job. Do another one. Good. Now do that one with your wiggle. I think that's on the foot. Mm-hmm. Okay, do the other one, the other foot. Good. You might be a cheerleader when you get bigger, huh? Now how about her belly one? How about hold Maggie and do one? You have to come a little bit closer though so I could see Maggie, okay? Whoa! Good job, Maggie! Aw, okay, wait. Let me see Maggie on camera. Hi, Maggie. And Maddie. You look just alike with your pigtails and your blonde hair. Go back a little farther, man. There you go. 2 cheerleaders I have. Who's going to take care of Maggie? You're not taking her home? You going to leave her here? You want to take her home?